This awesome new Tacoma TRD Off Road is fully equipped and ready for adventure. It features TRD alloy wheels with BF Goodrich Off Road tires and a Toytec 3-inch lift kit professionally installed, making a great truck even better. This sporty pickup comes with a trailer hitch, full-length running boards, rear privacy glass, a 6-foot composite bed with retractable cover, a 400-watt 120-volt power outlet, and a TRD chrome exhaust. From the driver's side, this Tacoma looks purpose-built with a TRD Pro grille, projector beam headlights, fog lights, and LED running lights. Inside the cabin, you'll find premium cloth-heated sports seats, dual-zone climate control AC, power windows and locks, dynamic radar cruise control, push-button start, a leather-wrapped wheel with tilt steering, and an AM, FM, CD SAT radio audio system with Bluetooth, navigation, and a backup camera. The Tacoma Double Cab offers easy access to the passenger compartment, a power sliding rear window, under-seat storage, and room for 3 in the back. Power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Don't miss out on this one. This tricked-out Tacoma is ready for work or play. Call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna.